Today I'll explain what the PayPal card is and how you can get it in your mailbox. The PayPal card refers to either the PayPal Cash Card or the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, which allows users to spend their PayPal balance anywhere. The Cash Card is primarily for personal use, while the Business Card is for business transactions. So how do you get your PayPal card? If you don't have a PayPal account, sign up, fill in your personal information, and link a bank account. Go to the Wallet section and select PayPal Cash Card or PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. Click on the Get Card and follow the prompts. Provide any required information, for example an address, date of birth, and identification, and review the terms and submit your application. PayPal will process your application, which can take a few days. Once approved, your card will be mailed to a registered address. When you receive your card, log into your PayPal account or use the app and follow the instructions to activate your card. Now here are some key tips or best practices. Ensure you have accurate information. Double check your personal details during application to avoid delays. Monitor your balance. Keep track of your PayPal balance to avoid declined transactions. Use your PayPal card only at secure and trusted merchants to prevent fraud. If your application is denied, it can happen because your account has limitations, or if the information is incorrect. Ensure your account is verified and in good standing. Report any lost or stolen cards immediately through your PayPal account to prevent unauthorized charges. Some users forget to activate their card, rendering it unusable. Make sure to activate it. Linking your PayPal card to your PayPal account provides instant access to funds when making purchases. Some PayPal cards offer cashback on rewards or purchases, which can enhance savings, and users can add their PayPal cards to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payment.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.